How to achieve success by positivity. Success always comes to those who earn it. You have to earn success by working hard, really hard. There are people who work very hard but don't succeed. Why? Think on it. There are people who work very hard but they don't succeed because they don't do it positively. So once they succeed, they don't enjoy it. And when you don't enjoy anything, you don't enjoy any phase, it's not success. Because success is something which you must enjoy. That's why it's called success, right? And you can enjoy when you earn it, when you positively accept it as a success. So first of all, you need to understand what's the thing which make you happy. Understand your crave for work. Which work will make you happy? What you should do with your life, with your goals. Decide. Then decide the path. Approach the desired goal with all your heart. Fill your heart with all the positivity. Fill your mind with all the positive approach. Breathe. Intake all the positivity. So, once you reach there, you enjoy your success. Any work, once you start, is difficult. And every difficult thing which we do is bring negative energy to us because we face difficulties. You have to understand it. Whatever thing you start, it is difficult. If every problem you feel negative, how will you achieve the success? Any game, any mobile game, once you start, it's difficult for you, right? You find it difficult. But once you overcome that difficulties, you win. Level by level, you win the game. That's the formula of success. Overcome your fear, your difficulties. Never see difficulty as difficulty. It's okay. It's the level. You have to clear it. See it as a level of game which you clear and you achieve another level. This is the life. You have to achieve it as positive. Positive approach will bring success to you. This can be anything. Your business, your job, your higher studies, your personal life, your relationship, anything. You have to do it positively. Just by positive approach, you can achieve whatever you want and you get success. Always remind your mind, you are here to achieve something. You are a successful person. Think about your success. Think about your goals. Work harder on it. Overcome all the obstacles and be a successful person.